Good morning, guys. So tomorrow we're going to have a quiz. So today is just sort of a makeup day, catch-up day, get ready for the quiz day. So are you ready for the quiz tomorrow? The quiz tomorrow is going to cover everything that we've practiced and learned over the past 2 weeks. So to be ready for the quiz, you need to be sure that all of your assignments from the past 2 weeks are complete. Those get you ready for the quiz. You need to be able to perform a level 1 analysis of a sentence, just nouns, pronouns, and something else. If you're not sure what this is, that means you haven't done the assignment that relates to it. So go back and make sure all of your assignments from the past 2 weeks are complete. To be ready for the quiz, you need to understand what theme in literature is. You need to be able to identify a theme in a text. You need to be able to offer evidence from the text to support the theme. So if you say this is the theme of the text, I might ask why, how do you know? And then you'll give details, specific details from the story to show that that's how you know what the theme is. To be ready for the test or the quiz, you need to read and understand Quiet Town. You should know what the theme is in Quiet Town. And you need to understand the 7 vocabulary words from Quiet Town. This means know what the words mean, be able to use the words in an original sentence. That means it's a sentence you made up. And also understand the various forms and parts of speech that the words can take. And if you have questions or concerns about any of this, please Google Meet with me and have a great day.